Hoopers, this one's for you. We're going to talk about ankle sprains today. This is one of the biggest things we see on the court that can limit your play, eliminate your season, and make it difficult to come back and play the way that you want to. Today I'm going to go over 5 exercises to build up your mobility, your stability, and strength to get out there and play and not worry about injuring your ankles every time you come in contact with somebody. So I want you to put these exercises in your routine, be consistent with them, and let's put in the work. The last thing I want to say is that if you do have an ankle sprain injury, your ability to get hands-on care quickly is priority to getting you back on the court as quickly as possible. The R.I.C.E method is dead. It does not help in the way that we thought it did. Active care is the way that you want to go. The R.I.C.E method, being rest, ice, compression, elevation, is not what you want to do for an ankle sprain injury. You want to get hands-on care as quickly as possible. You want to start exercising and working on your range of motion and building that stability back and building that strength back as quickly as possible. So if you've had an ankle sprain injury, find somebody around you that can help you get back on track quickly, or give our office a call if you're in the Salt Lake City area.